Here is the light pathway from the environment to the brain.
I'll be talking about the eye and then the light pathway from the external environment to the brain. So I'll start off and say that the white of the eye is known as the sclera, and it is used for muscle attachments of the eyes of the muscle. And then the outer part is the cornea, and then the colored part of the eye is known as the iris, and it has a hole through it known as the pupil. Alrighty, so light first enters through the cornea, the transparent layer, and then between it is the anterior chamber. Then it goes through the pupil to the posterior chamber. So from the cornea to the posterior chamber, that is known as the anterior cavity and is full of aqueous humor. Then it travels through the lens that disperses the light into the posterior cavity, which is full of vitreous humor. Then on the back of the eye, past the posterior chamber, is known as the retina, and the retina contains photoreceptors such as rods and cones. Rods detect black and white, and cones detect color. Then, after the retina, we'll just come this way. This represents where the retina would be, and it transfers the signal through the optic nerve, the optic chiasm, and then the optic tract. And we have two options here. For the rods that detect the black and white, it will go to the superior colliculus. For the cones that detect color, it will go to the lateral geniculate nucleus. And these both serve as a relay center to the occipital lobe that will make sense of what it saw. And that is the light pathway.